Welcome to LiFE Residential's Greenwich branch. We're located on site here at New Capital Quay on Victoria Parade, just 5 minutes walk away from Greenwich DLR station and 8 minutes walk away from the Greenwich main line. We specialise in the SE8 and SE10 postcodes, which offer amazing properties for both sales and lettings. Greenwich is a quick commutable distance to Canary Wharf in the city, but still offers a moment of rare tranquility with its peaceful surroundings, which includes the river and the parks. The Greenwich area is predominantly known for the Capital Quay, Greenwich Park, Greenwich Market and the Royal Observatory. The Greenwich branch has been open since the New Capital Quay development has completed. There are about 1,000 flats in the development, and we decided to open a branch here on site so that we can provide a better service to our clients. The people that typically live in the area are working professionals that work in Canary Wharf and the city, and during the summertime we get quite a lot of students who go to Greenwich University. Please get in touch with us so we can show you the amazing properties that we have for sales and for lettings in the Greenwich area.